Good morning, sunshine. So today is Wednesday, October 23rd, I believe. Good morning. And Miss Madison is already over here. She has a bottle going. Yeah. Okay, here go Miss Maddie. She's ready. Wait, she has so much passy going. Say good morning. Say good morning, sunshine. So she's ready to go. Daddy got her diaper bag. Yep, Daddy's on diaper bag. I have the feeding right here. And we're getting ready to go. So I'll see you guys once I get to the store.
I don't want to go in here. I don't want to go in here.
Where are you going?
No, you gotta stay in there. We're about to leave anyway. Hey.
We're about to check out. Look at his face.
You want me to put back your churro? Look at me. You want me to put back your churro?
It's getting crowded in here.
It's going to. It's only gonna get worse.
What's the matter? She's so peaceful.
Act like Maddie.
Little dumpling. Little dumpling. Okay, so we're just coming back from the grocery store, and my husband's truck is weird. We're just coming back from the grocery store. My son is whining because he chose not to listen. My husband told him to cut out what he was doing, and he chose not to. And then he wanted candy on top of that, and we were like, no, you're not getting any candy. So he back there whining because of that. Your belt is on? Good boy. You need to learn to listen, Jaxson, and that will help you out a whole lot. But anyways, we're done grocery shopping here. What time is it? It's a little after 11, so we have to go to another grocery store, the Chinese store, to pick up some Jamaican stuff because our house either don't sell Jamaican products, like Jamaican grocery and stuff. And I have to go to the Chinese store because they sell, you know, all the Jamaican stuff. So I'm gonna head over there and get all that stuff, and then the kids have half day, so they get home around 1:20-ish. So we have to do all that, get back to the house, probably pick them up, and then I have to go and get paper plates, and my husband wants to pick up some stuff for him for his adult entertainment. Look at his face. Look at his face. So I don't know. Whenever time I entertain, my husband thinks that it's a free pass for him to go all out and spend our money on
That's what the holidays is about.
Adult entertainment. I don't have time for that. My thing is food, have a good time, spend time with family, and that's it. I don't have time for all of this.
You got Percocet, so.
Yeah, honey, I just had a baby.
Okay then.
I just had. It's not like I cannot take them. You saw what happened last night. Like last night, I skipped my meds, and it was not funny.
Yeah,
my husband had to like literally help me to the bathroom because I was like, it was cold, my body was shaking, and I was in so much pain. But anyways, I'm gonna go to this store and put my belt on, and yeah. So I'll see you guys later. We're home. Hi. You're just gonna pass me and not say hi?
Hi. Hi, sunshine.
There's Juju. Hi. Yes. It was a bad boy yesterday. Yes. Juju, you were a bad boy yesterday. Yes. Daddy's gonna bathe you.
No, we're gonna bathe him.
Okay.
Do you want me to put the
Please?
gate down?
Huh?
You want me to put the gate?
Here go Miss
You
Madison.
can start putting stuff away.
She's sleeping.
Jason and Jordan have to help me.
Oh my gosh, she's so precious, guys.
Mommy, can I get a fruit roll up?
Okay, sure. She's so precious, guys. Look at her. But anyways, yeah, we are home now. I know people don't come for me because I know it hasn't even, ooh, my face is funny looking. It hasn't been a week and I've been out and about, but it all depends on how you feel, you know. A lot of people say you shouldn't go out before you're 6 weeks, you're 2 weeks, whatever. It's all based on how you feel, and it's all based on, you know, what you think is acceptable, you know. So
Mommy, I can't find the
and I know when to not overdo it, and I know when to, you know, stop and rest. So plus I didn't do anything other than go grocery shopping. So we're back home, and yeah, my husband is about to put
Mommy, I can't find the
the groceries away,
there.
and I'm about to go clean this little girl off. About to go clean her off, and she is a good baby. Like, seriously, she slept all through the night last night. We put her down at 10 o'clock, and she slept all the way until 7:30 this morning. 7:30 this morning, people. This is a newborn that sleeps all throughout the night ever since she's been born. So I don't know if this is a new thing. I don't know, but she sleeps like a champ. She went to the doctor's yesterday and she's back down to her birth weight, so we need to work on her weight getting up. Maybe she's just a tiny little thing, we don't know. So we need to work on her weight, but she sleeps more than she eats, and she just wake up for her food and that's it. Yeah. But anyways, people, this is going to be it for today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog, which is Thanksgiving. Yay. Bye, guys.